Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today we are exploring something incredibly important for anyone managing vitiligo, and many people ask in the comment box how diet can naturally support melanin production. And yes, your plate has power. Scientific research shows that certain nutrients can promote melanin production, the pigment responsible for the color of your skin, hair and eyes. And in the case of vitiligo, where melanin is lost in certain patches of the skin, choosing the right food can help manage the condition naturally. In this video, I'll walk you through the top melanin boosting foods, explaining how they work and share simple easy recipes you can make at home. No complicated treatments, just natural, everyday foods with powerful benefits. Before we jump into the food, let us quickly understand what melanin is and why it matters in vitiligo. So melanin is produced by special cells in our skin called melanocytes. In vitiligo patient, these melanocytes either stop functioning or are destroyed, leading to the white patches. While the exact cause can vary from autoimmune responses to oxidative stress, the good news is that what we eat can play a powerful role in either supporting or damaging these pigment-producing cells. Therefore, boosting melanin naturally involves supporting melanocyte health and reducing oxidative stress, both of which are key to managing vitiligo. Now I'm going to share some foods that can help manage vitiligo by promoting melanin production in your body. Number 1 is dark leafy green like spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These are rich in folate and vitamin B12, both essential for maintaining healthy skin and supporting proper cell function. Deficiencies in B vitamins are often seen in people with vitiligo, so add these greens to your smoothies, stir fries or soups. And you can blend 1 cup spinach, 1 kiwi, half a banana and a few mint leaves with water, a refreshing folate-rich drink to kickstart your day. Number 2 is copper-rich food. You can add lentils, sesame seeds, mushrooms and cashews. Copper is a vital trace mineral that helps activate an enzyme necessary for melanin production. Just a tablespoon of sesame seed or a handful of cashew can make a difference. So you can simply boil lentils, then loss them with chopped cucumber, tomato, sesame seed and a squeeze of lemon. This dish is delicious and packed with skin-friendly nutrients. Number 3 is carotenoid-rich vegetables such as carrots, sweet potato, red bell peppers, and these are rich in beta-carotenes, which converts to vitamin A in the body and supports skin health and melanin production. Roast carrots and red peppers until soft, then blend them with chickpeas and tahini to create a smooth, flavorful dip, and it's a colorful, healthy snack that is packed with nutrients and perfect for spreading on bread or drippings into the veggies. Number 4, you can add zinc and iron-rich food like pumpkin seed, chickpeas and quinoa. Zinc and iron deficiencies have been linked to worsening vitiligo symptom, and these minerals support immune function and pigment cell activity. So add cooked quinoa and roast chickpeas, pumpkin seeds and steamed veggies. Drizzle with olive oil for a balanced mineral-rich meal. While food plays a crucial role, there are a few more things you can do to support your skin naturally. Avoid processed food that increase inflammation. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush toxins and improve skin cell function. Get moderate sun exposure as sunlight activates melanin, but always protect your skin and avoid sunburn. Practice stress management, as emotional stress can trigger or worsen vitiligo. Meditation and breathing practices help balances your internal system. So, to all of you managing your vitiligo or simply looking to support your skin from within, remember, your kitchen is your first pharmacy. These melanin-friendly food are not just nourishing but also empowering tools in your healing journey. Keep in mind, every small change in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your skin. And if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this guidance. Until next time, stay healthy and stay radiant.